Hey everybody, how you doing? Gander Truck Series at Darlington Raceway. I'll be in the UPS Ford F-150 number 11 truck. I'm starting 17th in a field of 22. We're going to run 90 laps today, which equals 123 miles. Darlington Raceway, the lady in black, the track too tough to tame. It's a 1.366 mile egg-shaped traditional oval. The track has 25-degree banking in turns 1 and 2, 23-degree banking in turns 3 and 4, 3 degrees on the front stretch, and 2 degrees on the back stretch. Turns 1 and 2 are the big part of the egg, the bottom part of the egg. Turns 3 and 4 are the top tight part of the egg. All right, the Truck Series. Just bought the F-150. Got the UPS color scheme on it. Darlington, lady in black, too tough to tame. I thought the NASCAR series were all but over, but apparently on the last update they threw some extra races in to get us to the end of this season, which is pretty cool. I didn't qualify. I'm starting 17th. I've got 5 behind me. Not too bad. Done a few laps in the truck. Feels pretty good. 90 laps, long way to go. 4 sets of tires. That's about every 23 laps. My very first truck race. At the track too tough to tame. And it kind of looks like somebody's not going to show up.
You have 3 additional sets of tires for this race. Be smooth and have a good run.
We got one on my outside and one right behind me. I can't tell if there's somebody behind him. I don't think so. Single split, 4,000 iRating all the way down to about a 500 or so. Goal's just to ride around, not get caught up in a wreck, not cause a wreck. Get some seat time in the old F-150. I am using a Majors Garage setup for season 204. This is the open set, by the way. Open series, by the way.
Probably check your seatbelt, look at your steering wheel there, make sure everything's okay. Got the button. Okay, your car's off. Are you ready?
Okay, this is ugly.
Green flag.
Okay.
Inside. Clear low. Outside, outside. Still out there.
Not sure why we started so slow. I hope that's not a thing of the trucks. Well, 2X right off the bat.
Clear.
Okay. I'm apparently a little bit faster than some of these guys up here, so I got to be real careful with this here.
5, 3. Outside. Still there, outside. Clear. 30.323. 11-1. Outside, clear. Working the bottom. Clear.
Lapped already. Boy, he's just got a huge lead on the second place car, doesn't he?
34.2.
Oh wait, that was not the leader. Okay.
Caution. You didn't take a drink or anything like that? The road is closed. They can be lining up behind the 20.
Not sure why we're going so slow when the pace car is right behind us.
The road will be open.
Well, that was an ugly first 10 laps there in my truck career. You know what time it is? Crank that knob to 11.
Pace cars off, be ready. Green. 1 minute 10 lap. You're on the way. 1. Inside. 30.577. Still inside.
These guys are going to wreck up here. I think I'll let the green machine go.
Working the bottom inside. Clear low. .785.
Tires are shot. kind of reeled this guy in a little bit.
Outside. Clear.
That was a good job on his part. I thank you. I thank you.
Inside. 31.13. Clear. They know you're coming.
Okay, he's lapped down. He must have come in and got tires at some point. Leader's right behind me. Or one more car behind me than the leader. So you stay out until you get lapped, then you can come in and get tires. Might as well stay out just in case, because we've seen that before.
7, 8, 5.
Been the last car on the lead lap.
Outside. Outside clear.
Okay, I'm the first car lap down.
31.959.
There should be. got new tires. Okay, I think I'll come in next time. Ooh, yeah, most definitely.
Clear. Not a spot, I don't think. No, he is not a spot.
Start looking for your side.
Caution, caution.
Oh my God.
I'm thinking we're going to want to stay out here, but they put down some safety dry off too. Pit road is closed. I bet you'll be behind the 22. Looks like you should be lining up behind the 13. You're going to be coming around the 16. You're going to be coming around the 16. Coming around the 18. You're going to be coming around the 9. Come around the 9. You're going to be coming around the 6. Alright, so we're going to have to come around the 18. Coming around the 16. Alright, you're going to have to come around the pace car. 15.
I'm not sure if I should have come on down pit road or not. I think that might have been the right call. I'm not sure, to be honest with you. Boy, that sun's horrible. Well, I'm only a lap down, so coming through pit lane at that caution was the right call.
And next time by will be halfway.
4, 3, 2, 1. Stop on the sign. Stop on the sign.
Go back, go. That was a nice stop, guys. Good pit stop, boys. Get behind the 7. Alright, so we're going to have to come around the 16.
Well, I am the first truck a lap down in 11th, so I'll get the lucky dog next time around.
Enough, but get ourselves a good start here. Guys off. Ready, green flag.
The number 12 car behind me is a position car that I'm racing.
Outside, 29.863, clear high.
Okay, now the truck behind me is a position. why this lap was fighting me so hard. You son of a bitch.
Outside only. They're clear. Caution's out. Yeah, did my radio sound bad out there? Whatever it is, man. We can't fix it, so just gonna have to write it out. Sorry. Let's bust this traffic, girl. Good job, man. We pitted too soon. I think it's still our longest line, isn't it? I guess that's what they're telling us. I guess I have to fall back.
Start looking for your sign.
You know, several times it looked like he was moving over for me. Then he, quote, jumped right back in front of me. I don't know.
3.
This is a hard track to pass at. I know that.
Stop on the sign.
Oh, required repairs. We saw in the replay there, the 14 gave us all kinds of room. The 22 dove down, I dove down. And then the 22, I mean, he should have, situational awareness was horrible on his part. He just dove right back up. He should have realized I was right there with him. Now, it kind of looks like I would have clipped the 14 anyway, but I was, you know, reacting to what he was doing. I think that if he had just stayed down another truck length, then we both would have cleared the 14. But, you know, situational awareness, seed number 22, not a very good driver. Well, that pretty much ended my race. I came in, as you saw there, and took some repairs, and then I limped around for the last 25 laps or so. Unfortunately, the 22, which was the cause of that mess, I'm not sure why he was racing me so damn hard. I think if I could have gotten in front of him, I would have passed him because I was checking up a lot. And if I'd had, you know, my line, smooth acceleration, I could have pulled away from him. He was 4 laps down, racing nobody. You know, I mean, some of these guys just have no honor. I pull over time and time again. You know, next year, when I'm running the full season, if you will, for the NASCAR tier, the 3 tiers here, the Cup, the XFINITY, and the GANDER, I'm going to remain with my general strategy of being conservative. That seems to work pretty good. But I'll tell you, I'm going to change it up a little bit when I get behind these guys that should just pull over and let you by. I mean, there's no positional battle. You're clearly faster. I'm going to start moving them, giving them little bumps, little hints. It's just ridiculous that these guys have no honor. You know, I'm sure he thought he was faster than me, and a couple times he pulled away, but when I was able to gather it back up and get behind him, it looked like the one time he pulled over, but man, I was like 2 car lengths behind him. I couldn't get past him. So anyway, his piss poor decision process wrecked everybody. He did pass me 2 times, lapped me 2 times, and then took the position that we were ultimately fighting for. I started 17th. I did finish 13th, so a net 4 positions. Not too bad for my first truck race, I guess. And wow, what a bad track to try your first race at. Darlington, too tough to tame. Anyway, well, that's all she wrote for today. Thanks a lot for coming along for the ride, and we'll see you next time.